Sorry, I was turning the TV off.
36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While person in session, there's no reading, talking, walking around, sleeping, or driving. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is the People versus Desiree Real. Ticket number SP 1179953, count 1, driver license suspended. Count 2, pedestrian disobey officer signal. Ticket number SP 1194821, count 1, driver license suspended. And ticket number SP 1192800, count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Desire Real.
Ali Barrow appearing on behalf of Ms. Real. Ms. Real, state your name for the record, please.
Desire Real.
Thank you, ma'am. Your Honor, at this time, Ms. Real is requesting this matter be scheduled for a bench trial.
All right, Ms. Real, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
All right, so the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea. Set this for a bench trial date for March 6th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You're all set, Ms. Real. You're free to leave.
Thank you.
No problem.
This is the People versus Tiara Davis. Ticket number SP 1255004, count 1, drive while license suspended, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count, or ticket number SP 1309328, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Morning, Your Honor. Ali Barrow appearing on behalf of Ms. Davis. Ms. Davis, state your name for the record, please.
Sierra Davis.
Thank you, ma'am. Your Honor, Ms. Davis would like to avail herself to the offer of dismissing counts 4142 and pleading guilty to a delayed sentence for count 81.
All right, raise your right hand. Mr. Davis, do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Barrow in private about your case and your rights.
I'm sorry, ma'am, I couldn't hear you.
You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Barrow in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Did you have your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to February 10, 2022 at 2:34 p.m. On that date and time, were you the owner of a 2008 Jeep vehicle?
Yes.
Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive that vehicle?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Barrow?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission. You stipulate to proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
Yes, ma'am.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. This is a 3-month delayed sentence. So you have 3 months to pay a $200 fine. You can't get any more tickets. So when you come back on your next court date of May 25th at 9 o'clock, I'm sorry, 8:35 rather, you gotta make sure you've paid the fine and no more tickets. This will be dismissed off your record. You understand?
Okay.
that?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have any questions?
You said my court day is May 5th?
May 25th.
May 25th. Okay. No questions.
Okay, so you're all set, ma'am.
Thank you.
Are you looking at Michael Reed? Honestly, I don't care what you do on Michael Reed because the officer left
Okay. Let me bring them out. Thank you.
and she didn't tell us. She didn't say she was checking anywhere else.
Right, she didn't say anything.
That's kind of not cool.
And it seems like she left like right at 10 o'clock, but should have, let me see something.
Yeah, but you gotta wait till you're released, right? was thinking. If she, but see, the thing with that, she has to admit that she has a problem. She won't admit it. That's the whole.
Your Honor, there's still that individual that's in the courtroom, correct?
Yeah, there's still one more person that you need to speak with.
Okay, just wanted to make sure.
But that's been the whole problem. She won't have a problem. I don't know what to do with somebody like that. Usually, after so long, they acknowledge it, but she's like, maybe with you in person today, maybe. I doubt it, but. I don't know. This is people versus back, I'm sorry, go ahead, Darnell.
36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Reagan Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, walking around, sleeping, talking, driving, or smoking. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Badway. This is the people versus Michael Reed, ticket number SP 1333378, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, driving register or entitled vehicle, count 3, violation of basic speed, law, drove unsafe manner. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Morning, Your Honor. Ali Barrow appearing on behalf of Mr. Reed. Sir, please say your name for the record.
My name is Michael Reed, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, today's the day and time scheduled for a trial. Officer is not present. As such, I'd like to make a motion for dismissal.
So the officer was here and had been here for a while and then just within the last 10 minutes disappeared. Obviously, the people are not ready to proceed, so the court will grant your motion and dismiss this. If Officer Garrison wants to reissue this, she certainly can do that. So I don't know, Mr. Reed, just be on the lookout. It might come back, but as of now, it's dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.